See you all back. Good to see you, Grant. Good to see you all. Always nice to see those familiar faces. Ready for like I said, a brand new week and a brand new month. Hopefully everyone had a very good April. I don't like Aprils. I don't know. I tell you, April to me is like, I love that, April showers bring me flowers, but like, with the tax season, we finally got that out of the way. We had a couple of nice little movers, but I always find now that kids are off from school. You had Easter vacation, you had Passover, a lot of things going on regarding in April, but it's a very good time to learn. But now this is starting to be the second wave right before summer where things are really going to start picking up that I think, that you're going to see. And how do I know this? Because historically, if you look at your journals and you look at and you see what months you do better than others, where you have more volatility, there's really the month, which is awesome because for some of you here, today is the first day of phase 3. So we're going to do phase 1. We're going to do lesson 1 and 2, and then Wednesday we're going to pick up 3 and 4. So look forward to seeing you guys all there. Don't miss it. It's going to be an exciting time, and love how to do those phases. So looking forward for those classes that are coming up. If I think Rich just posted up the link right there. If you cannot access it, please talk to your education advisor to tell you a little bit more about our courses so you can get to them. Because remember, the best trade you can make is learning, and we're going to do it right once class starts. But don't worry about it. It's never too late to get in there. But in the meantime, we have a lot of new traders that are starting here at Cyber University. Just want to let you know, if you're in our cyber group room, I know some of you are watching YouTube, Facebook Live. You can always join us by liking us and friending us. But for everybody here, just be very careful. You're in a trading room. You're just here to watch. You're here to see, how people think for themselves, how they actually make their own trades, how they work together. Please don't count our money. I don't like to brag. I'm not here to tell you what to buy and sell. It's illegal to do that. And even if it was, it doesn't make you money. You're here to watch and need to see if this is something for you. And if you've made it this far, obviously, you're going to find out the truth behind the whole thing now. So let's go over a couple of stocks that are moving, but I don't like to start right away with the watch list. I like to talk about what happened last week, and because there were a couple of really nice stocks. First of all, I want to start off with RDBX. Now, RDBX is moving again this morning, and you could see the stock has been on a really great run-up. This stock not only has been a very good day trade, but remember what I always tell you, you want to be a good day trader, it all starts by day trading, but everybody thinks, oh, let me try options first. Let me try swing trading first. I heard day trading is very risky. No, it's not. That's the opposite, okay? What happens over the course of the day trickles into a swing trade. And let me tell you, a lot of you here, and I say it all the time, you probably hear me over and over and over again, people don't know how to take losses. And you know what? If you don't know how to take a loss, those losses could be very, very big, and they could destroy your accounts. And the only way to know if knowing how to get out is being a day trade. The only bad thing, and I say this all the time, bad part of day trading is it makes you a little too conservative. You're a little bit more jumpy and like, I should have held a bit longer, but I don't think that's really a bad thing. But anyway, RDBX, you could see it became a very good day trade. And then from a day trade, look how beautiful the stock now became a swing trade. We were just looking at the stock just the other day before it started making all these big moves right around $3. Look at it. It's almost a double, okay? Now, some of you haven't ever seen the stock in a double in the past maybe 2 years, So anyway, nice little mover up, that stock. And that stock is back on the watch list too again. RDBX. Did I have it on level 4? Yeah, I do it right here. Let me bring up level 4 really quick. You can see right here, we got a lot of buyers right here. Not substantial, but right above, right around 690. Resistance level-wise on the heat map, not really too much. You're getting a ladder effect that's coming in here, so probably one of the reasons why it's kind of holding here. Made a nice little move earlier this morning, right around program trading, which is around 8 a.m., and, let me tell you, that's a pretty big, substantial move right there from 575 to about 775. I mean, just that one trade alone, if you got half of it, you made your day's pay. But that stock is going back on the watch list. VAXX, another stock. Nice push up. Stock was up pretty big. That stock ran from, you could see, it was a little bit of a latecomer, but you know what was nice about this stock? It had a gorgeous Fausto flag right here, and it was like leading to it. And all of a sudden, right around 11:30, bam, this thing did a little bit of shake, ran all the way up. And for some of you that are not early birds, or maybe you're from different parts of the country, or maybe you want to come in late, damn, right at 12 o'clock, 1:30, thing ran from like 680 all the way up to about 760. Another really nice one. One last stock before we go. I want to finish off with CYN. Now, CYN is exactly like RDBX. CYBN, nice push, nice intraday trading. You can see it right here at 9:30. Stock didn't move up that much. Went from 380 all the way up to about 413. Kind of built a nice little Fausto flag right here. Broke right out of 420. Boom, ran all the way to 460. Then another middle of the day run up right there. And then obviously, we do the afternoon meeting at 2:30. 480. Look at that. Nice little run all the way up there. And look, she's moving up pretty nicely this morning already. And you know what? Look how nice that pre-market move right there. 540 all the way up to 660. Do I have that stock on my watch? Level 4. I'm just curious if I see any of them out there. CYN. So this one's going back on this morning's watch list right here. Just going to bring up level 4. We got about 13,000 share buyer right now at 575. So sellers starting to come out here. I'm seeing a ladder effect starting to kick in right here. Let me just show you right here. Right there, we're getting a big seller that keeps pushing it down a little bit. He started right here. So you know what? The stock's up a lot. It's one of the reasons why it's probably down. But that stock right there, we got a pretty decent buyer right around 575, right around there, about 13,000. Okay. So anyway, regarding about that ceiling, it wasn't really a big seller at 7-ish, but you can see people starting to push down. That's up a lot. That's a lot for a pre-market stock. All right. So we got 2 stocks from Friday. That's pretty awesome. We rarely ever have that. So on a Monday, on the first day of the pay period, listen, you want to be really careful. You don't want to get too cocky, but that is a pretty good movement right there for a nice little Monday morning. Anyway, there were a couple other stocks that made the watch list also. There was a couple of stocks like this one was an IPO. I'm not a fan of it. I saw this one early this morning, was on the watch list. I don't know. The stock one was an IPO, had a really nice move to about $30 and started trending down. I'll put this on the B list. It did make my list this morning, but obviously at 7:45 in the morning, it really didn't go anywhere. You could see BDRX is already there. This stock was also on my watch list too, but she's starting to trend down now a little bit. I'll put this on the B list. And remember, sometimes stocks go from the B list or a C list, jump on the A list. So it becomes a better stock. This stock, we all know this stock very well. VERU. We did really well with this stock. A lot of you remember this stock. I'm going to blow this up so some of you could see a little bit better. The stock we traded was at $4. We had that one day we traded it on the 11th, and that thing just literally ran from $5 to 14. It was just unbelievable. Looked like she's making a little Fausto flag on the swing trade account. So stock is extremely volatile, so I'm putting this on the B list. All right. VERU. But great trending going up right now. Really, really, really nice move. CYN, this is one of the stock was on our A list. All right, we're down to 5%, so we're done right there. Anything of like, if I'm not seeing anything around 10% in pre-market, I'm pretty much done. ZSN, this thing just keeps making new lower lows. Nothing really in the losers list. Hop over here on the New York Stock Exchange. Got this stock right here up at 16%. Don't like the pre-market. BKKT, we know this stock. We traded the stock last year. We're in from $8 up to $55. Go back to your journals and go check it out. But BKKT, I remember this stock very, very well. We had a lot of fun with this stock right here. Looks like she just made a 9 a.m. move right here. You could see it. We have program trading kicked in. So we know that stock very, very well. So that one's going to be our watch list. And I didn't see anything on the losers. Anything come back? Sometimes some things pop up. Wow, what happened to Save? They're not getting the merger anymore. I know that was that merger with that stock right there with JetBlue. Guess they're not. Doesn't look like probably not happening. They backed out. I don't know. That's a pretty substantial drop from 27. We'll put this on a C list maybe. Save. We'll go check it out. All right. Any other stocks that I'm missing? I did not call out. Anyone else see anything else? I think we pretty much have a good list here. but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's not bad for a Monday morning first day of pay period. All right, so listen, let's get ready for class. I want to get ready for class for some of you here in phase 3. Once again, if you want to get into that class, talk to your education advisor at CyberTrade University. That's where we're going to do live trading with me, and we're going to go out there and trade together. So we got 4 lessons. They're about an hour long. So we look forward to seeing you then. And if you're watching YouTube, Facebook Live, we'll be back here at 2:30. You can always join us in our trading room. Just like I said, just click on the bottom, like us and friend us. And then Cyber Group members, remember, if you're in my class, please do not, you could be in the Cyber Group room, but be focused on my class, because that's really what we need to learn. Stock market's not going out of business. I'm not expecting today to be a great day. There's no guarantee that. Sometimes we do, but let's focus on those lessons than worry about trading every day. Remember, I always guarantee you one thing: the stock market's never going to go out of business. So you always pay taxes, and the stock market will be there. So there's always another day to trade. If you miss something, don't worry about it. At least you know they're there. Good luck, everybody. Happy trading, and I'll see you in class.